Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the third problem of AtCoderBeginner Contest 342, which is many replacement. The problem is that we are given a string s of n characters and we are also given q queries. Okay. So in each query we are given two characters ci and di. So after each query we have to replace all the characters that are ci in the string currently and replace it with di. Okay, so let's take one example to understand it better. So let's take this example only. So let me write this example here. So after the first operation we are converting the all r's to a's. So after the first operation it will be nothing but AtcoderDEA. Now after the first operation is done, the second operation we are converting all the t's to e's. So this will be nothing but AECODEA. Then the third operation we are converting all the d's to v's. Okay, so this will be nothing but AECOVEA. Now we are converting all the a's to r's, so it will be nothing but RECOVER. So the n string is nothing but recovered. Okay, so our answer will be recovered. Okay, I hope you get the example. Now let's jump into our observations. Okay, so the first observation is obviously we do from the constants. The constants on n is what? The constants on n is 2 into 10 to the power 5, and the constants on q is also 2 into 10 to the power 5. So the possible time complexities could be order of n plus q or order of n log n. Or here I have already explained in my previous videos that when alphabet is involved, the time complexity comes from order of n into size of the alphabet. Here the size of the alphabet is 26, so here you can see this is order of n into 26. So these are possible time complexities: order of n plus q, order of n log n, or order of 26n. Okay, so I have used this time complexity here, order of 26 into n. Okay, now the possible brute force way that comes to your mind is that we'll iterate for every operation or every query. We'll iterate over all the characters and we'll replace the characters, but this will fail when all the characters are a's. Okay, all the characters are same. Okay, so let's say these are n a's, and the first operation is that we are converting a's to b's, and the second operation is that we are converting b's to c's. Second, third operation is c's to d's. Like that there are q operations, and the overall time complexity will be order of n into q, which is definitely not possible. So how we can improve our algorithm to order of 26 into n? So here you can see that uh, we can take some map to store what is the current mapping for the current character. So we'll be having some map d of 26 characters, where every character will be mapped to some integer. So a will be 0. So d of a or d of 0, d of a will give us the current mapping of a. So after the first operation is done, d of r will be converted to a. Okay, now after the second operation, d of t will be converted to e. D of t will be converted to e. Now after the third operation, d of d will be converted to v. D of d will be converted to v. And after the fourth operation, d of a will be converted to r. D of a will be converted to r. But here is the catch, that when we are doing something, d of a is we are converting to r, we have to check the other d values as well, that such that something like d, let's say something like let's take this, let's say something like d of ch is already a. So we have to change the thing d of ch to r as well. Okay, so that's why what will you do? We'll let's say some x comma y is given to us. We'll obviously mark d of x and y, and we'll iterate over the current map, all the values in the map or alphabet. We'll check if something d of ch is already x, we'll convert that d of ch to y also. Okay, now let's look at the code and how it is working. So the algorithm I have explained there is same I have done in the code. I am taking x and y as input, and d is our the mapping. Okay, mapping a vector or map or dictionary you can say. So I am mapping d of x equals to y. Okay, I am mapping d of x equals to y. But here is the catch that let's say we have mapped r to a already. Okay, let's say r is already mapped to a. Now we are trying to map r to c, but this is definitely not possible because there are no occurrence of r in the current string. So that's why the r will be converted to r will not be converted to c. Okay, but the other mappings where let's say d of let's say h is converted to r. So in that cases d of h will be changed to c. So that's why we are checking that for every value in d, if d of j is x, we are changing it to y. And this part is for formulating answer. So we are checking the current mapping for the current character and we are adding it to the answer, and at the end we are printing the answer. So the overall time complexity is nothing but order of 26 into n, because we are checking every character present in d here. This part is taking order of 26 time, and this is order of q. So this is nothing but order of q into 26, not order of n into 26. So I hope you get the explanation. The problem is quite straightforward. Just you have to have two or three observations, and the rest part is quite simple. I will provide the link of the code in the description box. If you have any doubt in any part of the code or explanation, you can always ask in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.